Number 1. 2000 Ford Ranger, price $7,300. It has been driven 142,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission powered by a gasoline engine. The truck features a clean white exterior paired with a neat gray interior, both of which are described as being in near new condition. According to its history, it has had no accidents and comes with a perfect Carfax report, reflecting careful ownership and consistent maintenance. It is equipped with new all-terrain tires, power windows and locks for added convenience, and running boards that enhance both functionality and appearance. Overall, this vehicle stands out as a solid, dependable truck that has been meticulously cared for and is ready for continued use. Number 2. 1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,900, is a reliable and well-maintained work truck that has been driven approximately 165,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. This extended cab model offers extra space and practicality, making it ideal for both daily use and work purposes. The vehicle is reported to run very smoothly, with all functions operating properly, including a fully functional air conditioning and heating system that performs perfectly in all conditions. Additionally, the truck shows no signs of rust, highlighting its good overall condition and durability, making it a solid choice for anyone in need of a dependable utility vehicle. Number 3. 1964 Dodge D150, price $8,500, that has been driven approximately 90,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a transmission. It features a white exterior complemented by a black interior, giving it a timeless and clean appearance. One of its most distinctive aspects is its unique split bed design, combining a fleet side on the driver's side with a service utility body and compartments on the passenger side, making it a truly one-of-a-kind truck. The vehicle retains its original 225/6 engine, which starts and runs, along with its original California black plate and intact data plate, adding to its authenticity and collector appeal. The body panels are straight with no major collision damage, and the bench seat remains in good condition. As expected for a vehicle of its age, there are some known issues. There is a small rust-through hole in the floor that will require a patch weld, and the interior currently lacks a headliner and carpet. Additionally, there is typical surface rust consistent with a 60-year-old truck. Number 4. 1998 Dodge Dakota, price $9,995, showing 145,000 miles on the odometer, paired with an automatic transmission that offers a smooth and comfortable driving experience. It features an attractive green exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it is powered by a V8 Magnum engine, providing strong and dependable performance. Inside the cabin, it offers comfortable fabric seating designed for everyday practicality, along with rear jump seats that provide additional passenger space when needed. The truck also comes equipped with a classic stereo and cassette system, adding a nostalgic touch for those who appreciate vintage audio features. For added convenience, it includes cruise control, making longer drives more relaxing, as well as a classic column shifter that enhances its old-school charm. Number 5. 1977 Ford F350, price $9,300, is a well-maintained classic truck presented in excellent condition, rated 9 out of 10. It has been driven 73,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable 302.5.0L gasoline engine. The truck features an eye-catching orange exterior paired with a brown interior, giving it a distinctive vintage appeal. It comes with a freshly changed oil, a brand new battery, and a newly installed muffler and tailpipe, ensuring it runs smoothly and reliably. The current grille has been swapped with a 1978 model featuring square headlights, though the original grille with round lights is also included. Notably, the truck is rust-free, adding to its value and longevity. It is a 2WD model and comes with 5 new Goodyear tires, making it ready for the road. Overall, this vehicle is described as a head-turning classic that runs great and is ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage trucks. Number 6. 2002 Dodge Dakota, price $7,800, powered by a 4.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has been driven 111,000 miles and comes in a gray exterior with a matching gray interior. The vehicle offers a range of comfort and convenience features, including power locks, power windows, cruise control, a tilt steering wheel, and an air conditioning system that blows ice cold. The truck has been upgraded with a Kenwood stereo system equipped with a backup camera, along with new front and rear speakers for improved audio quality. Recent maintenance includes a new AC condenser installed in 2024, front brakes replaced with power stop components in 2024, and rear brakes replaced in 2025. The right front hub bearing was also replaced last month, ensuring better driving stability. Additional enhancements include a Flowmaster exhaust system and a KN air filter for improved performance. The truck also comes with practical accessories such as a tonneau cover, bed liner, vent visors, and WeatherTech floor mats.
Number 7.
2001 Ford Ranger, price $7,500, with 93,000 miles recorded on the odometer with a smooth automatic transmission, making it comfortable and easy to drive in both city and highway conditions. The truck features a clean and classic silver exterior complemented by a black interior, giving it a simple yet timeless appearance. Powered by a gasoline engine, it delivers dependable performance suitable for daily use or light-duty work. In addition, the vehicle is upgraded with XD wheels, enhancing both its visual appeal and road presence, and it includes a bed cover that adds practicality by protecting cargo and improving versatility. The truck is reported to drive great, reflecting proper care and maintenance over the years. It also comes with a clean title and shows no signs of rust.
Number 8.
1993 Ford F350, price $4,995, with 241,000 miles, a manual transmission, and a gasoline engine. The truck comes in a white exterior with a gray interior. It runs and drives, and several key features include recently installed new tires, a new air filter, an IAC valve, and an ABS sensor, along with a fresh oil change completed approximately 15 to 20 miles ago. Additionally, the owner has a new set of black housed headlights that have not yet been installed. The vehicle currently has a misfire and requires new spark plugs and wires. However, the speedometer is not functioning, likely because a 4WD transmission was used in the swap. This issue can be resolved by installing a proper 2WD manual transmission, converting it back to an automatic transmission, or completing a full 4WD conversion.
Number 9.
1994 Ford F350, price $8,000, comes with a factory turbo and has just under 177,000 miles. It has been well cared for, with recent maintenance including new front ball joints, front brakes, and a vacuum pump, along with regular servicing such as transmission work, newer tires, and recent oil and fuel filter changes. The truck remains mostly original, aside from a practical radio upgrade with USB compatibility and new front speakers. It is also equipped with a gooseneck plate and wiring in the bed, making it well suited for towing.
For a 30-year-old vehicle, it runs and drives reliably, reflecting its durability and consistent upkeep. Number 10.
1998 Dodge Ram 2500, price $6,900. It has been driven for 150,000 miles. It comes equipped with a powerful 5.9L turbo diesel engine, paired with an automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain, making it suitable for both daily use and heavy-duty tasks. The exterior is finished in blue, complemented by a gray interior that remains in very decent condition. This vehicle runs and drives excellently, reflecting proper care and maintenance over the years. It is powered by diesel fuel, offering durability and efficiency, especially for long-distance or demanding work.
Notably, the truck is free from rust and comes with a clean title, adding to its overall value and reliability.